Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus with canned chickpeas, easy method. Drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, reserve a few whole for garnish. Then add chickpeas to a blender with 2 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Blend while adding water until smooth and creamy. Adjust salt and lemon to taste and serve with paprika and a drizzle of olive oil. Start by adding tahini, lemon juice, and garlic to the blender to emulsify flavors before the chickpeas. Add drained chickpeas next and pulse to combine. As the mixture thickens, pour in olive oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water, blending between additions until you reach a silky texture. Taste and correct seasoning with salt, more lemon, or a little extra tahini for balance. This method gives a smooth, restaurant-style hummus with minimal fuss. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I'm holding a book here, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and saving. It's a helpful read to fund cooking hobbies or home kitchen upgrades. If you want it, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Transfer hummus to a shallow bowl and smooth the top with the back of a spoon to create a moat for oil. Garnish with reserved chickpeas, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of paprika or za'atar for flavor and color. For variations, stir in roasted red peppers, caramelized onions, or a spoon of harissa for heat. Chill briefly or serve immediately with pita, veggies, or crackers. This keeps well for 3 to 4 days refrigerated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.